Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Audacity tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to add silence in Audacity. It's pretty simple. For this, I prepared a recording where I counted to 20 and we will listen to a part of it. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now I want to insert a pause of 5 seconds between 10 and 11. To do this, I first have to click in the timeline where I want to add the silence. Then I go to Generate and Silence, and here I can set a specific duration. These 5 seconds are fine for me, so I press OK and the silence is added. Let's listen to that again. 9, 10, 11, 12, and as you can see, that worked as intended. So with this little setting you can insert a silence in Audacity. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!